Hello, Scoop Buddies. Welcome back to another intriguing episode. Today, we're diving into the captivating tale of one of the most disruptive and innovative companies of our time, Airbnb. From humble beginnings to a global phenomenon, Airbnb has transformed the way we travel, connect, and experience the world. So let's embark on this journey of discovery and unravel the secrets behind Airbnb's remarkable success. Genesis. It all began in 2007 when two young entrepreneurs, Brian Chesky and Joe Gebbia, faced the daunting challenge of paying rent for their San Francisco apartment. Struggling to make ends meet, they hatched a bold and unconventional idea, renting out air mattresses in their living room to attendees of a local design conference. Little did they know, this simple concept would lay the groundwork for what would become a groundbreaking business model, disrupting the hospitality industry and inspiring millions around the globe. Innovation. With unwavering determination and a commitment to innovation, Chesky and Gebbia, along with their friend Nathan Blecharczyk, transformed their humble startup into Airbnb, a platform that would revolutionize the way people travel and experience new cultures. By leveraging the power of technology and the sharing economy, Airbnb created a community where travelers could connect with local hosts, discover unique accommodations, and unlock authentic experiences in destinations around the world. Resilience. However, Airbnb's path to success was not without its challenges. From regulatory hurdles to economic downturns, the company faced numerous obstacles along the way. Yet, with resilience and adaptability, Chesky and his team navigated through adversity, emerging stronger and more resilient than ever before. Through strategic partnerships, relentless innovation, and a steadfast commitment to their core values, Airbnb persevered, solidifying its position as a global leader in the travel and hospitality industry. Impact. Today, Airbnb boasts millions of listings in over 220 countries and regions, offering travelers a diverse array of accommodations, from cozy cottages to luxurious villas and everything in between. Yet beyond the numbers lies a deeper impact, a shared sense of community, cultural exchange, and belonging that transcends borders and bridges divides. Through their vision and ingenuity, Brian Chesky and his team have not only redefined the way we travel, but have also inspired a generation to dream big, embrace diversity, and embrace the world with open arms. And there you have it, Scoop Buddies, the extraordinary success story of Airbnb. From a simple idea born out of necessity to a global phenomenon that has reshaped the way we explore and experience the world, Airbnb's journey is a testament to the power of innovation, resilience, and human connection. So the next time you embark on a journey, remember the spirit of adventure and possibility that Airbnb embodies. Who knows, your next great adventure may be just a click away.